The Immunotherapy Foundation is helping spearhead a personalized cancer therapy trial right here in UC San Diego. This is huge news, folks. And joining me now to talk more about the trial is Dr. Ezra Cohen from the Immunotherapy Foundation. Dr. Cohen, very good to talk with you tonight.
Thanks, Ginger. Great to be on.
I really get excited when I hear that there's another breakthrough being made. You know, most of the time we're talking about trials and treatments that are involving the masses. This one is a personalized cell therapy research trial, but in turn, it could have global impact. So can you explain it to me?
Yeah, with pleasure. First, I think you pointed out something very important. This is a homegrown effort. It started in San Diego with the help of Immunotherapy Foundation and their support. It was developed here. The technology, the novelty was developed right here in San Diego at UCSD in collaboration with La Jolla Institute. It is truly personalized. We essentially develop a therapy by taking the person's own T cells out of their tumor, growing them in a laboratory that is on the UCSD campus, selecting those T cells, those most important immune cells that are most likely to react against the cancer, and then, believe it or not, growing them into the billions, from the thousands to the billions, and then putting them back into that individual. It is at the forefront of technology and ultimate in personalized therapy.
Could this be the future of how to, win the battle, if not the war, on cancer?
I think it is. I think this whole idea of understanding exactly what the tumor's biology is, and every single cancer is different. Everybody's cancer is different. And then understanding how to focus the immune system and augment the immune system to go after that person's cancer, that's the key. And I do believe that that is the future and the cure.
And certainly UC San Diego, the Immunotherapy Foundation, you guys are always right on the brink of what's next. How did you come to this kind of trial?
Well, it really started, believe it or not, about 5 or 6 years ago, sitting around a table with a group of scientists, my collaborators, Ralph Whitworth, who started the Immunotherapy Foundation, and he brought his business acumen to this effort, kept pushing us forward. And we envisioned building a laboratory that could grow these cells, the technology that could select the specific ones that would be most responsive to the cancer. And step by step, we developed this treatment. And now it's in a clinical protocol that's led by Dr. Greg Daniels at UCSD. And about 30 to 40 people, believe it or not, have been involved at some point in this effort along the way for the last 5 years.
30 to 40 incredible minds. What if there's a cancer patient, listening to this right now, and they want to get involved in this kind of trial? What do they need to know?
Wonderful. So it's open. It's available at Moores Cancer Center, UC San Diego. You can look it up online through the Precision Immunotherapy Clinic. In addition to that, you can always call Moores Cancer Center and make an appointment with any one of our physicians, usually by the type of cancer the person has, and try to get on either this clinical trial or many others that we have. We're really trying to deliver as much as we can to the San Diego community.
I mean, this is truly monumental. I really hope our viewers understand what a breakthrough this potentially could be. What can the public do to help? What do you need? What can we do for you?
Well, we can always use more support. As I said, this is work that has been supported by Immunotherapy Foundation. One can always use more. This is not research that normally is supported by the NIH or public funds. And the reality is that to make progress, we do need that kind of support.
All right, Dr. Cohen, exciting stuff. I anxiously await to hear the outcomes of this and what's next for immunotherapy, because you guys are doing amazing
Thank you so much.
work.
Thanks for having me on.
All right, be well. Okay.